Number one, you're going to complete each statement about the parallelogram QRS. Justify each answer. Here it says SV is congruent to what? Let's mark where SV is. SV looks like it is this part of the diagonal here. And we know that that diagonal right here has to be congruent to something here. Well, the other piece of it, okay, is going to be QV, because this is one part of the diagonal, this is the other part of the diagonal. So we can put line VQ. And we know this because the diagonals, okay, for a parallelogram bisect. Okay. The spelling is wrong here. It's supposed to be diagonal. All right, there you go. I fixed it. The diagonals for a parallelogram bisect. Okay. Next, we have Q. We have triangle VRS is congruent to what? Well, let's take a look. We have VS, then we have RS. So we can mark that here. Okay. This is VR, then S, and this could be the fourth part. So this triangle has to be congruent to what? Well, RV, the other part of RV is this part, okay? So RV has to be congruent to VT. Then that purple part of RS has to be congruent to QV, okay? And that's by side, side, side. So we can write here that this is congruent to triangle VTQ, and we can write something like by side, 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 and okay, you can prove that those triangles are congruent by side, 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 okay, because we are given three sides. Next, we know that TSR is supplementary to what? So TSR is right here. I'm going to shade it right here. It is this part. Okay. That part is going to be supplementary. So let's say it's like 80 degrees, right? Then that means this part, which is its consecutive interior, has to be 100. Okay. So angle TRS is supplementary to angle STQ, because you know for parallelogram, so for a parallelogram, interior consecutive interior angles are supplementary. Okay. Those are the properties for it. All right, so there you go. That is number one.